What's the meaning of common sense? Common sense. Common sense.
Common sense. Common sense. Common sense refers to the basic level of practical knowledge and judgment that most people possess. It includes a range of abilities such as understanding cause and effect, making reasonable judgments, and knowing how to behave appropriately in different social situations. Common sense is shaped by experience, cultural background, and education, and it helps individuals make informed decisions in everyday life. Overall, common sense can be described as a set of intuitive skills that enable individuals to navigate the world around them with relative ease and effectiveness, based on their own observations and insights.